On Wednesday, the US dollar managed to regain ground after a small correction. It also advanced against the yen and the euro. The greenback entered the correctional phase amid expectations of the adoption by Congress of $1.9 trillion relief package. New stimulus measures are sure to affect the US economy. Yet, traders are quite optimistic as the new relief bill is widely expected to accelerate the economic recovery. The US dollar index is now trying to win back its losses from yesterday's trading session. It dipped due to the decline in US Treasury yields after remarkable growth. Those speculators who did not buy the US dollar when US Treasuries were pushing it up open long positions now. So, the US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against its main rivals, gained 0.2% during today's trading session. Meanwhile, the yen, which is also considered a safe haven asset, is getting cheaper against the world's major currencies. The dynamics of the dollar-yen pair is quite peculiar. Yesterday, we expected a small pullback, which eventually occurred. However, shortly after, the quote went up again. The question is whether the pair is going to break above the 109 and 18 level today. So far, everything may happen. Yet, various technical indicators point to a possible resumption of an upward movement. The pair is projected to hit the target level of 110 and 33. The yen is also weak due to the fundamental factors. Safe haven assets lose their luster with the investors after the release of China's inflation data. The report showed a slowdown in the decline of consumer prices. This is why the fugue was better than expected. Today, traders are also waiting for US inflation data, which will certainly strengthen the US dollar. Yesterday, the Australian dollar managed to gain 68 pips. However, the AUD-USD pair did not break the support level of 0.7615, although there were certain technical signals for a break. This morning, the pair is tumbling again. Perhaps it may finally reach the level of 0.7615. The commodity market is also showing signs of a possible decrease, which is bullish for the AUD-USD pair. A drop is likely to occur no earlier than tomorrow, when the ECB is scheduled to unveil its guidelines for monetary policy. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.